Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT7 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find display and brightness. Here we have to scroll down to find the option auto screen off, which is right here. Let's tap on it, and here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds. The 30 seconds is currently applied, and at the bottom we've got the longest, which is 30 minutes. So all you have to do is to tap on the option you'd like to use. I'll choose 10 minutes, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will black out, or actually my device will black out after 10 minutes of inactivity. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.